Let's fix that issue where your Gmail is suddenly not receiving any new emails. The most common reason this happens is your Google account running out of cloud storage space. Open up a web browser on your computer or phone and head over to google.com/settings/storage. Google shares 15 gigabytes of free space across Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos. If that progress bar is completely full or sitting at 100%, Gmail will physically block any incoming mail from entering your inbox. To clear up space fast, jump into your Gmail search bar at the top of the screen. Type in has colon attachment, larger colon 5 megabytes, and press enter. This instantly brings up every single email taking up more than 5 megabytes. Go through and select the ones you do not need anymore. Hit the delete icon and then move over to your left sidebar. Scroll down, click on Trash, and hit Empty Trash Now. Do the exact same thing for your spam folder because items sitting in your trash and spam folders still count directly against your storage quota until you permanently clear them out. If storage is not the issue, we need to check your incoming filters. Go to the top right corner, click on the gear icon, and select See All Settings. From the top navigation menu, click on Filters and Blocked Addresses. Scroll through this list carefully. You are looking for any automated rule that says skip the inbox or send to trash. If you see a filter catching your everyday emails, click Delete right next to it. In that same menu, check your Blocked Addresses tab to make sure you have not accidentally blocked a contact you are expecting a message from. Now, let's look at your forwarding setup. Click on the Forwarding and POP/IMAP tab at the top. If forwarding is toggled on, check the drop-down menu next to it. If it is set to forward your mail while keeping Gmail's copy in the trash, that is where your missing mail is hiding. Disable forwarding entirely or change that setting to keep Gmail's copy in the inbox, then scroll down to the bottom and click Save Changes. The important thing to remember here is that if a sender tried emailing you while your inbox was completely full, those specific messages will not automatically appear once you clear space. The sender will need to resend them to your address. Send a quick test email from a secondary account to make sure everything works properly now.